How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
What are you doing now?
I'm reading a book.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy today.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is tennis.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What are you watching?
I'm watching TV.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have some money.
What are you eating?
I'm eating an apple.
Do you like books?
Yes, I like books.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
What are you writing?
I'm writing a letter.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love flowers.
Which flower do you like?
I like roses.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy now.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking water.
Do you like bread?
Yes, I like bread.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Happy.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a red dress.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.